Hey, are you waiting for me? I didn't see you there. See, this is what happens. He just stands at the door. He was standing up looking in. It's so cute. What's the screen? It's behind the screen. Hey, little one. You wait. You're such a patient squirrel. Okay, I know you want your peanut. Hold on. I like to find really big ones. You even know that word peanut, don't you? Yes. Yes. You're a smart one. I know you want to come in. I know. I'll let you in. Hold on a minute. Okay, hold on. See how far he comes. Hi. Hi, you want to come in the house? Hey, little one, come here. Come on, get your peanut. Peanut. Yes, you hear that? Oh, where is it? Good job. Good job, little one. Yes. Go take your cigar and eat it or bury it. Whatever you want to do. Ciao for now.